Blood collection and shipping to RGCC International Lab is not a difficult process. When the test order has been placed, a test kit will be shipped via FedEx Ground from PathTech Distribution Center, located in Atlanta, Georgia. It will take 3 to 8 days to deliver, depending on your proximity to Atlanta. If you're in the West Coast, it takes 7 to 8 days. If you're in the East Coast, it will be 3 to 5 days. If you're in the central states, it will be around 3 to 4 days. The test kit contains the following items: a blood draw set, which has the vacutainer holder, a discard purple tube, and a butterfly needle with adapter. Shipping documents are included. There's a puzzle piece insulating foam, a documentation, a blood draw instruction sheet, a biohazard bag, a foam receptacle for the blood sample vial, a 30 ml blood collection vial, 2 cold packs. Make sure you put them in the freezer for 24 hours or longer and put it back into the test kit on the day of the blood draw. There's a prepaid FedEx International Priority shipping label. There's an audit sheet, a shipping guide, material data invoice that has yellow highlighted areas for you to fill in the tracking number of the FedEx shipping label, how many vials, your name and signature and date. There's also 5 copies of the commercial invoice that will go into the FedEx adhesive plastic envelope. Regarding the blood draw itself, the draw kit has all the necessary materials to draw the blood except the rubber tourniquet and alcohol prep pad that has to be supplied by the blood draw facility. Follow the blood draw guidelines before scheduling the blood draw date. If you've had an intravenous vitamin C, as an example, you will have to wait 14 days from the last infusion prior to the blood draw. So it's very important to review the guidelines before scheduling a date. The blood draw is done in your local area by the following options. You can contact your primary care doctor's office, let them know that your RGCC provider ordered the test and that all you need is a blood draw service. An IV nurse or phlebotomist from the office can do that blood draw. You can also call a local hospital lab, ask them if they provide a standalone blood draw service. A mobile phlebotomist service is another option that can come to your house to draw the blood for you. AnyLabTestNow.com has 210 locations around the country. If you go to that website and enter your zip code, you may have a local facility in that area. If you have a friend or family member who is an IV nurse or phlebotomist, that's fine, but you will need to make sure you have a tourniquet and alcohol prep pad since the kit does not supply those items. The same day after the blood draw, take the kit with your blood sample to the nearest FedEx hub or store and drop it off to the customer service counter. Make sure you get a receipt for your record. Schedule the blood draw between Monday to Thursday and then take the blood sample kit to FedEx right after. The turnaround time for test results is approximately 14 to 16 days. Results will be posted in your RGCC provider's portal and a copy is sent to you. You can then schedule a date and time to meet with your RGCC provider to go over the results and interpretation so that you'll be well informed to make the decision what to do that is best for you. Very important. The test order confirmation form is not included in the test kit. Make sure your RGCC provider sends you the form so that you can print it out and include it in the test kit with your blood sample before shipping it off to the lab.